In this video, I will introduce the EBO right now in our API. EBO allows us to draw a figure in a optimized way where you can identify the vertices and you avoid to duplicate some line drawings. So in this video, I will implement this resource. When you create a VBO, you can choose if you have EBO or not. It will be optional. Okay, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and let a comment. You'll be very nice. Alright, first of all, I'll need to create here a header file for EBO. OpenGL EBO.h. Will be almost the same as VBO, but instead verses we draw indexes. Okay, we don't need the name. Just remove this guy here. I'll change for E. You don't need to set the attributes. We don't need to disable. You don't need to destroy. You just have the create, set indexes, and here the same indexes. And here I can change everything for EBO. We don't have this type yet. We need to go to the set OpenGL types and create this little guy here. You'll be the same as vertices, but I use here indexes, and here be a list, but from unsigned inch. And in the VBO args, we add this guy here. Okay. All right. Now it's all good to go. I'll copy this guy here and I'll create the source file right now. Where are you? Here. OpenGL EBO, and paste all this code here. Nice. Go here to check some. I'll do the same here as we did in the VBO. I just set to true, and after in the video I can fix this problem. To create a EBO, we need to create a gen buffer. I will create a one and pass a shared object ID. Okay, and to enable, paste here, return. Okay. Enable, to enable the EBO, we need to have the VBO enabled first, and you can enable the EBO by the buffer. And for EBO, you can use the element array buffer. And pass here the ID. All right. And to set here the vertices. I use the GL buffer data, passing the GL element array buffer. I'm using the indexes here, the list, no, the size first, and the list, and now GL static draw. That's all implementation we need here for EBO. Now we need to change the way we draw using the OpenGL draw, because I already fixed that last video, so I needed to fix this problem. I needed to select which type of way I would like to draw. So I just fix it here in triangles. When you use the EBO, you need to use the element arrays to draw. So and I need to create a type here and an enumeration for that. I'm back here to types again. I'll put it here in the end. Set OpenGL draw type. I'll use here triangle, and here I'll put elements. Okay, going to the OpenGL here. In draw, now we need to add this guy type, and here winch 32 versus amount. And I don't know if it's possible or not, but in the future I'll try to abstract this selection here, because I think we can identify when you add the EBO for a VBO, and you can choose when this, depending of the type. I think it'll be easier and avoid to choose just to create a wrapper function here. Okay, let's go to the source and in draw I change here. I use the type. Here is the fixed number. I'll comment this guy here. And for this guy, I need to add the auxiliary function to select selecting which type I would like to draw. I'll create a function for that. Okay, static avoidance set OpenGL draw by, and back in there I check these two arguments. And paste here. If type equals triangles, and we use that line here, and passing here vertices amounts. It's not triangles, we can use GL element draw. no, it's draw elements. And draw elements here. Oh my god. Aqui gera triangles. And here we pass the vertices amounts. And we'll pass here the GL unsigned inch. Pass 0 here. And I'll use this function here to select type and versus amount. Okay. And now when you are creating the VBO, we will check if there's a EBO. If there's some VBO, we can oh my god, to configure here. Let's check if it is index list. This is not new, and there are indexes when the size is greater than 0. We start to configure the EBO. So I need to first include the EBO here. EBO, okay, EBO. And we create here. EBO, and we enable this VBO. And we can set here the indexes. R's indexes. Okay. Nice. Okay. Choose the way you draw, and if it's the EBO, we can configure the EBO for this VBO here, and it's the auxiliary function to help us to choose the way we draw. Okay. So I need to add this new file in the CMake OpenGL EBO. Nice. And the next step will be create the tests. Use this test here as base. Triangle. I need to fix triangle first because the draw we can use it here 3 versus, and now is triangles. Nice. I use this guy here. I'll copy and rename to indexes. There's a exercise in the book where they give us some coordinates to draw, and we teach the OpenGL how to draw these points verse in that case. Post one. and here is the same as here, but here's positive, and here positive as well. Here's positive, negative, 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 positive. And now we can create here the indexes. You draw 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And 0, 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And here we can set the index. List is the indexes, and the size will be size of indexes. And to draw, we use the elements, and that's 6 points, 6 vertices here. Copy here this name, paste it here. Nice. I think that's it. Let me check if it's still OpenGL. It's enable, right? It's enable. And make the G4. A lot of warnings. I need to remove some points. I'll remove here the size. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. My charisma is not very nice, but I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. Yeah, maybe so. It's too slow today. I don't know what happened. Yeah, maybe started today. I'll check this versus path here. Okay. We have a compile here, and we can build. I can use indexes. I'll pass this path here, pass it here again. I use this fragment, and here there is a rectangle. It's drawing this point to here, here. I think it's here, here, and here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No. 1. Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Pretty easy, very nice. And my API, it's kind of easy to add new stuff for a while. I'm keep studying here the OpenGL library to adding more resources to see is my abstraction be easy in the end to use it for create a game. But for this video it's just that for this video. I I ask you to subscribe my channel and give me a comment, thumbs up, all the stuff that you need to do in the YouTube to help me. Yeah, that's the point. Bye guys. See you later.